Hey guys, we got the truck unloaded about an hour ago. I had to let my phone juice up before I started this video here. So now I can go ahead and kind of walk everybody through what came on this one. Here we've got a backyard discovery. We've got all 4 of the items. Doesn't look opened at all. Let's see if I can see. Slides in the box. It looks like it's maybe a swing set. Backyard discovery. 4 boxes full of items, so I'm guessing this is like one big play set for your kids out in the backyard. We got this here. Looks like a bathtub. Some more flooring on this one. A toilet. I don't know what that other box is. Chair on top too. We've got another toilet. Looks like 2 maybe. Yeah, 2 toilets. Some more. It's probably another bathroom. What's this one? Easy Up adhesive bathtub wall set. So yeah, that's another bathroom. Here's another bathroom. It's got a toilet, a vanity, some chairs, 5-tier shelving unit that'll go in your bathroom. We got a ton of Gaylords here. I'll walk you around one side and then I'll go back around the other just to give you guys a look inside here. Really not much you can see on the top. I'm trying to keep my other hand in my pocket. It's pretty chilly out today. Got a bunch down at the bottom there. Looks like one of those lawn sweeper things again. Lodge Collection Ozark. That looks pretty nice. It's got a moose on it. We got a rug on this one. Cobalt 80 volt brushless. Let's see. Yeah, it's in there. Chainsaw. Ceiling fan. Looks like some drawers down there. Here we've got some vanities. Another A.O. Smith water heater in the back here. Those have been selling really well, apparently. I know I've had 2 or 3 people buy one already and they sold pretty much instantly. A muscle rack there. I don't know what that muscle rack, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's just a rack that's really strong. I thought maybe it was a workout equipment type thing. Oh, it's cold. We got a refrigerator, mini fridge. Shelving, looks like it's for a kitchen, maybe a bathroom. I don't know what this tall box is. The Dream line, so it's probably a shower door or a stand-up shower floor. Microwave oven from Samsung, another mini fridge, and another mini fridge on top of that one. This pallet will probably get added into something. It's just this smoker. I'll have to look it up to see if it's worth the value. If it's not worth the value, we'll probably just tag it along with one of our other pallets. On this one we got a set of 4 dining chairs, little toolbox, shop vac, some more flooring. Here we've got a lawn sweeper, a grill here, another, what is that? Oh, 2 grills. So 2 grills on this one plus a lawn sweeper kit. Another Gaylord here in the back. Let's see what we can see on top. I'll try to show you guys a little bit of the inside. Can't really see too much though. That pink pillow or pink rug down there is blocking a lot of what it is. Plus this huge box on top, which says base cabinet for something. Oh, it's got a little drone on it too. Skyline drone. That's pretty cool. I didn't know Lowe's sold those. We've got garden treasures here. So we got a fire pit, 2 vanities and a toilet. On this one we've got a rug. What is this? Shower door. Another shower door. It's the Sydney. I'm trying to see what that is. And probably another vanity down there. Something underneath too. That wide box underneath the shower door. On this one we've got a Gladiator. Oh, this looks really nice. Gladiator, it looks like kind of a shelving, almost a toolbox. Looks like it could be used for this. In the picture, it's used for outdoor furniture. This is a whole 7-piece dining set by Style Selections. Let's see, we got microwave oven, a wall cabinet. This one, we've got another Gaylord, another huge box here. How many pallets this truck? I think we got probably 22 this one. Here we've got a fireplace that goes in the center. It looks like it's propane maybe. A ton of stuff in this one. I don't know what these are. It's raised panel for something. That all goes together though, I'm sure. Another Gaylord full of stuff right here. Tons of it. A nice chandelier. I'm thinking about looking that up. It's another Lodge Collection Ozark. It'll go with that moose lamp I showed you guys earlier. A lot of stuff over here. We've got some pumps in there, sprayers, some flooring. I see a cover for a fire pit right there. This one's got a big sink, some vanities to go along with it. This one, we've got Franke Make It Wonderful. Oh, it's a sink. We got a sink in there and then probably a ton of stuff on the bottom. Here we've got Dreamline, probably another shower door. What is this? 50 gallon, another water heater right there. Like I'm telling you guys, those water heaters are moving quick. I think everybody's looking at replacing at this point in time. Another big Gaylord of stuff. Can't see anything at the bottom, so those boxes on top are covering it all. That one I already showed you guys, and then these two I already showed you guys. So yeah, we got 2 over here, and then we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 it looks like. Looks like 21, but we're gonna get ready to bring these inside here. And then whenever you guys can feel free to come from now. I think we're gonna be here till about 3:30. I had somebody message me for around that time. I know I got another person coming at 11, so if you guys want one of these pallets, make sure you get down here quick because people are starting to show their interest a lot. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hopefully you guys all saw something you liked, maybe something that you think will sell quick or you got somebody lined up for. And we'll see you guys down here over the next few hours. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.